December isn't uniformly good or bad. There's actually a two-phase pattern that shows up most years. Cycles tend to show strength leading into December 10th, but then we often see a pullback and some pretty sloppy action heading into year-end. Intermediate cycles are still turning, so any move stronger is usually followed by a milder decline, not a sharp drop. What's really distinct is that early month strength is pretty different from late month weakness, and that means you need different positioning approaches for each phase. Thanksgiving week doesn't really set December through decision-making, but more through positioning. Institutions usually reduce their position size and avoid making any major trades during these holiday periods. Volume gets thin, and there are just fewer large orders hitting the tape. There's this natural upward drift that plays out in lighter volume. Actually, the day before Thanksgiving is often one of the strongest sessions of the year, with final positioning adjustments and a bit of buying pressure, but without the normal amount of selling. When traders return and volume normalizes, that holiday drift shifts into genuine price discovery. On Friday, it's a half day, and liquidity is so thin that any moves are kind of suspect in terms of sustainability. The real moves tend to come the next week, when full staffing and normal flow resumes. That's when we see whether those holiday gains have any real structural support, or if the artificial strength just reverses with normal participation. It's right at this transition that the December pattern really starts to develop. Intermediate cycle confirmation really transforms the December pattern in a significant way. When cycles turn up on December 10th, that move develops strong momentum, and the subsequent decline is much milder. But without that confirmation, early gains are weak, and late in the month, things can really deteriorate into sloppy selling. Cycle validation is what determines whether these phases warrant participation, or if defensive positioning is required throughout. If you're ready to trade with more discipline, clarity, and confidence to predict the market days or even weeks in advance, then join the Market Turning Points community and visit stockforecasttoday.com.